Okay, well, my mother, who was quite distant from me, um, but she's taught me a song, Yomi Yomi. Do you know that song? So I had to sing that song. And it's Yomi Yomi, sing mir a Liedele, was das Mädele will. Das Mädele will aber Schichlach haben, darf man gehen zum Schuster sagen. Nee, Mama, schon nee. Du kannst mich verstehen, das ist nicht, was ich meine. Nee, Mama, schon nee. Yomi, Yomi, sing mir a Liedele, was das Mädele will. Das Mädele will a Kleidele haben, darf man gehen zum Schneider sagen. Nee, Mama, schon nee. So forth. Finally, the mother says, Yomi, Yomi, sing mir a Liedele, was das Mädele will. Das Mädele will a Chosen haben, darf man gehen zum Scharchen sagen. Ja, Mama, schon ja.
Can you give us a loose
Sure.
translation of
Yomi,
that?
Yomi,
Yeah.
sing me a song. What does this little girl want? Do you want a pair of shoes? I'll go to the shoemaker. No, mother, no, that's not what I want. You don't understand me. You don't know what I mean. Do you want a dress? I'll go to the tailor. No, you don't get it. Do you want a wedding? Yes, I'll go to the matchmaker. So that's the story with me and Saul.